What is Webhook? A webhook is a method of communication used in web development and API integrations. It allows real-time data to be transmitted from one application or system to another. In simple terms, a webhook is a way for one application to send automatic notifications or data to another application whenever a specific event occurs. Instead of periodically polling or requesting data from a server, the application that needs the data sets up a webhook to receive instant updates whenever there is new information available. Here's how it typically works. An application or service provides a webhook endpoint URL. This is the URL where the receiving application expects to receive the data. The application or service that wants to send data, the sender, triggers an event or performs a specific action, such as a user signing up or a new message being received. When the event occurs, the sender packages relevant data and sends an HTTP post request to the webhook endpoint URL containing the information to be transmitted. The receiving application, the receiver, receives the HTTP post request and processes the data sent by the sender. It can perform actions based on the received data, such as updating a database, sending a notification, or triggering some other functionality. Webhooks are commonly used in various scenarios, such as notifications, sending alerts or updates in real time, such as new messages, system events, or status changes. Data synchronization, keeping multiple systems or databases in sync by sending updates whenever data changes. Automation, triggering actions or workflows based on specific events, such as creating a new record or updating a resource. Integrations, allowing different applications or services to communicate and share data seamlessly. Webhooks provide a more efficient and immediate way of transmitting data compared to traditional polling methods. They eliminate the need for constant manual requests for updates, enabling real-time data flow and enabling applications to react quickly to events.